Hey, Tail Talkers, this is Mrs. Pena, and I teach pre-K 3-year-olds at Burnett. And so today I'm going to show you how to make bubbles at home. I mean, who doesn't like bubbles? So this is something that we've done in our class, and my kids really enjoyed it, so I thought that I would share it with you. So for this experiment, you're going to need some ingredients. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, 4 tablespoons of water, and then a pie tin or a bowl to put it in, and then you're going to need a straw. So you start with the sugar. So I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons. Put them in my bowl. Okay. Then next, I'm going to put the 1 tablespoon of dishwashing soap. Pour that in. And then we're going to finish it with 4 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then you mix this up until your sugar gets dissolved. And so it takes not really very long to dissolve your sugar. You just want to mix it until you don't really see any sugar crystals anymore. And then once it's thoroughly mixed, you're going to pour it into your pie pan. And at this point, I might take it outside to do it, but for the simplicity of this experiment, I'm staying in my house. And so then you just take your straw and you're going to blow, not suck, blow into the pie tin, and you're going to make bubble pie. And if you have siblings, you can do more than one and see who can make the biggest pie, or however you want to do it. So you're just going to blow. And you've made bubble pie. The sugar helps the bubbles not pop as easily as regular bubble solution. So you can even touch them. Sometimes they don't pop, but you just keep doing it until you're tired of playing with bubbles, and then it can be poured right down the sink. So I hope you enjoy this activity. We miss you. We would much rather be at school than at home, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.